When we were young, you never heard tell Ulster-Scots.
No.
No, it's just how you talked round here, and that was it.
But you used the words.
You used the words, aye.
Gansh.
Gansh, oh God, aye. As a gansh, the minute we're counting 2 ganshes here, the way we're talking. Whenever you would have said to somebody, I'm going home, it wasn't home, you said it was him. And if somebody reached for something, maybe even in the farm there, you're working on something that's going to break it or pull it or crack it, and you said, Dunny do that. Or a hallion. That's another one. Oh, didn't talk that, but sure, that but it's only a hallion. You know.
There are plenty of words for describing people badly.
Oh, aye.
Very few words of praise, John.
Well, there is ones for describing somebody. It's a guardian, you know. That was a guardian. Is all right. You know that would.
That's the height of it.
That sort of thing.
It's not bad.
Or another word was greatly used. You know, you're describing somebody. No, it's been positive of the thing. It's only a pintle.
He's pintling along.
Aye.
He's not going very fast. He's only pintling.
Aye, he's only. That's right. Aye. But there's a lot of them words used here yet. You know, not so much now, but still a lot of them used here yet.